Omukaruuru kukuronda orakwate bendera ya NRM makati 2025 kwezi kwa 10/2024 Rose Kabagenyi akakasinga n'uburure mitware 39 Rwenda 21 yakuratura Grace Ngabiro akifeza watungira ubure mitware 39 higana 9 hakuratiraho Muhire Irene ubuhire y'ubururu 10/2029 hamwe na Fancy Brenda Nirere ubuhire y'ubururu 15/9 Omukugambaho na Dr. Mateke yagirangwa karura katkaragenzireje kandi NRM Electoral Commission hinabo abuyatiriho risho rurungi.
We came from Kisoro Kampala with a candidate in view. They had their own candidate and they knew who should go to Parliament. It's very unfortunate, you see. This has been one of the strongest districts supporting the movement. Since I joined the movement, it has been very strong. But it's still strong. But it's unfortunate that we have this by-election as a result of the death of my daughter.
Buyayongera agira ngo murundo gumwe tubakuza kwa yamana gabo aharaka abagenyi bakorera no watine man mengi okuyeho bazakareka abatezi bakaruru okubana bayorondero baraterre.
And the people of Kisoro who know their people, their candidates, are saying no. Don't depose the candidate on us and the popular candidate on us. These elections will determine who is popular and who is
okuronda Karuru kutandikiriza waziri rwo kubanza aho akifeza abe nashobora batezi bakaruru omwishaza rya bukimbiri ebyagendere kubakora aha ticket ya independent.
Kongo mwanzi yije yaza kuri yankuringo yakwata Karuru igana nkaganisha tu yagenda yataho rukaga nkaganisha tu Karuru nako bakabara
twamukwatire
yaza mutorere kuri yayiba yayikanaho kugira ngo hano tugambe yari hano ya rubuguri twina abantu 10 yateresa mirundi kina obururu bwe bwabara abantu binji barakira umwanya
ogu ayongere yashobora ngo naza kureba ngo bizuvu eshoro batwire bavugana kubukoraho abo kugira ngo iki ni cyaho agenderere kubebembera
za kubarera je kamarungi turaza kutire mihanda mirungi amashanyarazi garaza kwiraho nakuba bakagarabye hare munonga abana bitu baramara kushoma abasiniyafo batambure ngendo nimba bazeza Kisoro bune bagira amashomero ninga heru nakabare naza kurwanisa munonga twarira karyanyu mu parliamenti na Uganda yona obundi na heru ya Uganda.
Abagenyi Rose na washabire abarukagira NRM muri Kisoro okuze nyuma ye bakamushagika bakatungure kibineki
kose nzabana namwe igihe cyose sinzigera mbahe mukira abanyarwiyuwe aho mumbanye kandi mu make kuko cyamana bivuze kuko cyamani data abivuze cyamani wa Yositi na cyamani wa Yositu
akarura karikuza kuterwe bire 12 kwezi ku 10/2024 karimo abanda besimbre abarumusari musultana kurwo mu kigombe cya NUP Aisha Chimpaye kurwo mu kibine cya People's Progressive Party Juliet Musanase wa FDC hamwe na Mebo Ingabire kurwo mu Uganda People's Congress.